welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aitza. Thanks for watching. If you're not new, I'm glad you came back to listen to me ramble. I talk about fashion, books, travel, being Black in Spain, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And today I'm going to be cutting a bangs into this wig that I did an unboxing of for you guys. And hopefully I don't mess it up. So let's get started. Honestly, have no clue what I'm doing here. I really don't.
Good luck.
Yes, let us pray. I've watched like a bunch of YouTube videos though of like other people with kinky straight wigs doing their bangs. And so I'm using an old razor. Like some of them use razors and scissors, the razors to like give it the fringe. Twist here.
No going back.
Okay, I probably should have turned the alerts off of my my phone because it's like popping up and blocking part of the camera. Okay, here we go. I need to get a flat iron.
Yes. Oh wait, that's what you guys call straighteners, right?
Yeah, straightener, flat iron.
I need new straighteners. I need the wide plate ones.
And
I need a hot comb as well.
I need a hot comb.
That's what I'm planning to get when I go home.
I really need a hot comb. And I don't know what to look up in Spanish for it. Because I'm sure if I went on like Spanish Amazon, I could find one.
Yeah, definitely. Even if you just put it in English, it should come up. I think.
Stuff doesn't always do that.
Does it not?
No, not on Amazon.
I need to set up a Spanish Amazon account.
You do. It's only, or you can use mine.
Oh, that's true.
Because we're not going to be here that long.
Yeah, that's true.
So if you want my password, granted, I looked like last year. Maybe they weren't selling them last year.
They're about 30 euros.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah, more or less.
Yes, that's something to invest in.
Definitely. I'm just going to buy one from home because...
That makes sense for you.
Plug.
That makes sense for you.
Yeah.
But I'm going to be here for a while.
Oh, yeah, that's true. So you might as well buy it.
Because I have one at home. Because my mom was a hairstylist. So I have when I was a kid. So I have her old one, like the one that plugs in, but also the one that you put on the actual stove.
Oh,
and she still has
the best one.
She still has her like her little stove.
Oh wow.
She still has that. Like she still has most of her stuff when she was a hairstylist.
Nice.
Like all her rollers. Yeah, I need a flat iron to like close this.
Yeah. Oh, if I knew, I would have bought mine.
I didn't even think to ask you.
The things I was gonna bring, I was like, I'm not going anywhere special for me to re-straighten my hair again. So then I left it.
See, I should have thought about that like yesterday. Okay, does this seem like wide enough here? If I like cut this part, so like that, or should I go wider?
I think it looks fine.
So cutting.
Yeah.
Does it seem even?
It looks like it.
Okay.
I'm scared.
You're like, don't put so much faith in me.
Exactly, please don't.
No, I'm just asking for a second opinion. It's all on me. I take full responsibility.
It's looking good though.
Okay, and then we're gonna go in. I don't know, like, I want to.
Do you need more hair in the middle, or you want to leave a bit of a gap?
No, so that's the thing. So that's why I want to get the flat iron, so I can like flat iron it straight here.
Yeah. Okay, I see.
Because it's the middle part, it's gonna like automatically do that until I force it.
Yeah.
But if I do that, then would I need more? I don't know. And no one in this house has a flat iron. The only straightening thing we have is my blow dryer.
Oh.
Cause we were talking about something, and they needed to dry something. And I was like, I got a blow dryer. They're like, really? You do? Can we use it? I was like, yeah.
Why didn't they just let their hair profile on this? I'm pretty sure I bought it. And I really had like a really interesting article about being biracial in America. So they profiled Obama. This was before he was president. And then Mariah Carey and Tiger Woods. And
I'd be forgetting about Tiger.
Yes. And then they always have like song lyrics.
Yes. Oh, a
I
flash.
actually love like the dilemma pages in like in teen magazines.
Okay. The youth, I feel like the youth don't.
No, they don't.
They've been robbed.
I've ordered this independent travel magazine
Ooh.
called Irin Journal. I don't know if you've heard of it.
No.
Well, this is like the first ever issue, but with every issue they plan to like highlight different African cities.
Mm-hmm.
And then the first one's on Lagos.
Ah.
So it's really, really good. It was meant to be delivered yesterday, and then I got an email saying that apparently I wasn't in, so
you know what? I hate that bullshit.
So I've like redirected it to be delivered to the post office. So hopefully I'll have it by Monday.
I hate when they do that.
Ugh. But yeah, so it looks really good. So I'm gonna get that. But yeah, but man, they don't do magazines like they used to.
They don't. Okay, it's a little better.
Everything is online now.
It is. And like, I get it, you know, save the trees, care about the earth, all that stuff. Maybe I need to frame my face. Maybe that's what it is. There's something going on here. We got to work with this. But yeah, I get it. It was like, I said I was 25 and she goes, oh, I would have thought you were like 18, 19. I was like, what? No.
But it's good because when you are much older, you're still gonna look young, right?
It is. Yeah, you know, it is. But oh my gosh, we had an event at the auditorium. So I was like with the students, like ushering them along. And one of the teachers was telling me like, oh, I need to go sit with my.
Made it worse?
I don't know worse, but what do you think?
Little emo. But I don't know, I feel like you could make it work.
I do. I think I just need to straighten this.
Yeah.
Maybe that's it. Maybe it's because I haven't straightened it and like curled it some. So yeah. Okay, I think I can make this work. You know, I like it like this. And a cute little ponytail. Just so thin. I think that's my issue too. It doesn't have the fullness because my hair is not this thin.
Yeah.
You know, at least it's not those Beyonce terrible bangs.
Oh god, she was really going for it when she did that.
I remember someone they were like doing a flashback of Beyonce looks and like the bangs. They kind of like blurred it out because they were like, we're not even acknowledge that look and just like blurred out those bangs.
That was an awful look.
It was a terrible, terrible look. Yeah. Okay. You know, I can make this work. Hey guys, it's Monday, so I forgot to give you a finished look on what the hair looked like after I like went and curled it and stuff, but I'll insert a picture. But I wanted to show you what I look like after work on a Monday and like excuse the notebooks and stuff over there, but I wanted to just kind of show you what I look like after a regular work day. I just have the hair back in a ponytail. I have a headband that I like, and as my goddaughter said, you look messy today, and it works. So yeah, this is it, and I'll include the pictures of when it's all done up because I like curled this some, and I think I want to go back in and like create more layers and stuff, so it really can kind of like frame my face well for when I'm wearing the glasses, because right now I really only like it without the glasses, and this is what it would have looked like today if I had my hair down. But like I said, very emo-esque, and I'm like doing preppy stuff looks today. So yeah, this is the hair. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever cut bangs into your hair before. I'm sorry I didn't record the curling of the hair, but I just forgot because I wasn't home. But thanks so much for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow for a book review. Ciao!